Hello, Jukits on the kitchen again. And tonight, I just have two things to present to us about honey. This is honey, look at it. This is honey, this is pure honey. And honey is a natural herb on its own. That's why that some people mix it with sugar, mix it with different substance. But if you get the real honey, it is very, very good to our health. Two things I want to talk about this night is for honey for the ladies and the uses of honey for the guys. Like when you are having something like maybe a guy now, you know that you are not always in the mood. When you continue to lick honey, because it's good for you to be licking honey, that means indirectly honey is good for a lady. This way to take your honey because it makes you feel honey, and for the guys it makes them feel like having sex. Maybe because actually I noticed that some guys, they are not really too good on bed, they don't like having sex, so honey helps those guys to make them feel honey, making them wanting to have sex. That is one thing, importance of honey for the ladies and the guys. Then another one again, honey helps you reduce fats, big fat, as in fat tummy, reduce fat reduce fat from your belly, as in having big tummy. It helps ladies to reduce that. So the way you can do that when you want honey to help you reduce the fat or big belly is, what you have to do, this is hot water already. This is warm water. What you're going to do, maybe in the morning or in the night before you sleep, just turn your water. After turning your water, this is a tablespoonful. Because of my phone I'm holding, I cannot measure it, but I know I can gauge it. Have to do, you add your, look, you don't add it much. Look at what I'm adding. You see it's very small. You add this out, it should not be too much. Add your honey. After adding it, you take your spoon and you stir together. You see it now. You look as if it's like a tea, but this is very, very important, because the reason why you're using warm water, so that it will be more active. Now look as if you're taking tea, but it's not purely tea. After taking this thing makes you to defecate. You defecate a lot. Those food that's stored in the tummy, that maybe they can store for even 2 to 3 days. I swear, you can even go to toilet 3 times in a day or twice in a day. You will see yourself passing out, as in the way you'll be so free with your toilet. Honey makes you, maybe someone that have strong congestion, when you're even congested, you can take honey take it like this. I swear, you will see yourself passing out, defecating very well. So because of this frequent defecating, you will see that your tummy, those fat that stored there, they can't be able to store for a very long time, because it's all of the fat that stored into our tummy that makes some people to have that big tummy or whatever. So honey is one thing that will help you to reduce big tummy, and they also help you to get honey, having the feelings of having sex for female and male. So it's good for couples, it's good for married people too. Take honey, and honey also help you reduce dry cough. When you're having a dry cough, you can lick honey, it helps you. So honey have a lot of importance to human health, but I just want to make this for us this evening. Remember, just try it and you thank me. Take it in the morning, take it in the night. After meal, you can take it. It's better you even take it after meal in the night, so that when you wake up in the morning, you can be able to defecate a lot, so that you won't be able to go out with it. And one thing about this honey is that when you take it, it makes you go hungry. You're hungry, so it makes you go hungry. But those food won't even stay. So somehow it's also good for those that can't eat. Those people that don't have appetite, it's good for you to also take it to make you have appetite of eating. So remember, thanks, and this is from Jukits Empires. Bye.